I ain't gonna lie, this some bullshit, y'all. Comment if you ever did a CV action before. And let me know what your tips and tricks that you feel me use to slot that bitch in smooth. Feel me? But by the time y'all see this, it probably be a little bit like that, you know. Still comment, like, subscribe, feel me, fuck with me. I see I got 10 new subscribers though. Me. Since the last video I posted, 10 new subscribers. It ain't much, but it's some. It's a start. You feel me? But I need more. You feel me? 10 ain't enough motivation. I need about 100, 200. You feel me? 1,000, 3,000, 5,000, 10. You feel me?